Tired of messy paperwork and endless spreadsheets? Let's ditch the old ways and learn how to create a professional Google form in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Google Drive by going to Drive a Google account and sign into your Google account. Click on the New button, hover over More, and select Google Forms to start a brand new form. Start by giving your form a clear and descriptive title, like Event Registration or Customer Feedback Survey, so respondents know exactly what it's about. Then, add a brief description explaining the form's purpose. Now, let's add some questions. Click on the Untitled Question field to type in your first question, then choose the best question type from the drop-down menu. You have options like multiple choice for selecting one answer, checkboxes for selecting multiple options, short answer for brief text responses, and paragraph for longer answers. To make a question mandatory, simply toggle the required switch at the bottom of the question. This ensures you don't miss any crucial information. Want to break up your form into sections? Click the Add Section icon on the right-hand side of the screen. This helps organize longer forms and makes them less intimidating. Let's personalize the look of your form. Click the Customize Theme icon at the top here. You can change the header image, choose a color palette, and adjust the font style to match your brand or the form's theme. For specific questions, use data validation to control the type of answers you receive. Click the three dots at the bottom of a question and select data validation. This lets you set rules, like limiting text length or ensuring responses fall within a number range, which helps you collect accurate information. Ready to share your masterpiece? Click the Send button. You can send it directly via email, copy a shareable link, or even embed the form onto your website. That's it. You now know how to create a Google form. Now you can effortlessly collect and organize information, whether it's for surveys, quizzes, or event registrations. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.